Hey guys, in this video you're going to see this new puzzle box that I have created. And I'm going to refocus this. Okay. So, let's get started. Now, you have the drawer here, which is a little obvious to see. And come on, doesn't want to focus. Fine. So yeah, that's the drawer. Then we got some things that look like they might be able to be moved. Then on this side you got a little square there that looks like it could be moved. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You got things there that look like they can do something, and they can be pushed. Only some of them. On this side, got something there and a hole. On this side, it just has where you can push on the three things over there. And that. Well, let's see how to solve it. So, first step that I'm going to take is focus. There. Now, the first thing is to get all three of those like that. And apply pressure on this piece that we saw back there. Slowly press in this one here in the center. And then there's a click, which then pushes out this on the other side. Now this doesn't serve a purpose anymore, but that just was a lock mechanism here. Now those can go back in, or you can have them out. And now on the other side here, you got this one on the bottom. You press that in, it's a little hard. And on this side, I'm losing it. You can pull out this, which is just another bar to hold it in place. And then the last step is to whack out this little piece, which then can be pulled out. You can spin the box around, and that little hole that we saw earlier, just stick it in there, and your drawer comes out. Yeah, this is a pretty simple drawer, as usual. Nothing in it. But that there is what kept it locked in place onto this. So that went under there, holding it in. Then this piece went in like that. So that's basically the internals. And now I will show you the actual insides of the big box here. Okay, so I've got the top cover off, which now, I still gotta go deeper. Oops. Okay, so this is the inside, if I can focus it. It's got these 3 pieces that can slide like that. And the way that is accomplished, I'm going to just take one of those out. Each one of these is going to be different depending on the location that you want the slider to be in whenever you finish. But that's the holes. The pegs that you saw, they're in the same position on all 3. Yeah, and then it's just a series of holes for the rest of it. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, so that way you can see more videos that are like this. And also, you can see videos that are somewhat on a different tangent, computers and other electronics. And I just have some random things in there also, but yeah. So that's this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.